Tough luck for the bonds all around. You had the yields higher, the overall market is higher, the dollar is weak, and bonds are basically doing nothing. We thought maybe we might get a little bit of positive drift with this overall strong economy, but so far TLT doing nothing for us here on the weekly chart. So we still have this 0% fib level here, 84.89. We're going to keep that on. That is going to be our main support. Anything below that, we're looking at the 83.50s and then the 83 mark. Those are going to go 50 cents down one by one, right? Until the market tells us otherwise. Resistance wise, we're looking at this 9-day EMA in here. It's currently trading at 86.36. Anything above that, it is going to be this 88.84 level. That's going to be our first Fib level at 23.6. Now, the overall implied volatility in TLT itself, basically it's IV rank of 20, so take that for what it's worth. It's not crazy juiced to the nines, right? But it's also not zero either. So kind of keep that in mind. You did have a 13-cent overall positive day in here from Friday or from Thursday into Friday's close. And everybody's pricing in right around a 73-cent expected move by this Friday. If you go all the way out to, Monday, if you go all the way out to Friday, right around a $1.30 expected move. You go all the way out to your August monthlies, right around a $2 expected move. So not a whole lot of action going on in here, but it does look like that you have some decent volume and the options are trading basically for what they should be trading worth, right? So it's not crazy extrinsic value that are found in all these options, but it's also not zero as well. It's basically everything's priced in how they should be for something that's basically done nothing for us here in the past 3 weeks. You can see these 3 past weeks, just red candles in here ever since we had that high in here from 630 week, and then just kind of working our way back down, as you can tell here, all the way back down to that 84.89 level. And actually, we had a low in here of 84.19 on the week. So we'll see what happens in here. If the market does pull back a little bit, we should get a pop in bonds overall, but now the way everything's trading, not sure if we're going to get that inverse correlation exactly how we normally do, where you get the high VIX, you get the high TLT, and then you get the market pulling back. Not sure if that's still going to happen. Obviously, the VIX will go up because that kind of tracks the whole overall market volatility, but I'm not sure the bonds are going to go with it because, like we mentioned before, we're not doing anything now. We're not getting that positive drift with that weak dollar with those higher treasury yields. So we'll see what happens in here. TLT, again, 9-day EMA on that weekly chart. That's what we're looking at for our first resistance, 86.36, 88.84 is going to be your second. Big support going to be 84.89. Anything below that, 83.50, 83, 82.50, working ourselves down 50 cents as we get down to the $80 mark. I guess that's going to be your big psych level. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.